Hello friends, welcome to Financial Comprehension. And so friends, today I will talk about one of the topic which on a query which I have received from one of my subscriber. His name is Mr. Mohammad Shamim Ansari, and he has one query that why there is some of the collectors who are not agreeing to speak to anyone else apart from the customer, and what he should do. In that way, I have already replied, and Mr. Ansari, I just want to mention that I have already replied on a comment. Now, before starting a detail on this topic, I just request you, all of you guys, to subscribe to my channel by viewing this video, and please like and share the video if you find this is worth doing so. Now, coming back to this topic, that what is this today's topic, that what you should do when these people are not agreeing to speak to this kind of people apart from the customer like you. So see, you have to make them realize what you need to make them realize, that you, if they want their money back, they should speak to these people. So whether it's single debt or whether this is another one, freed. So they should make them realize that they should do so. Now, if they say that no, we won't speak to anyone else apart from these people, we are only want to speak to you only, so they just tell them, okay, you do a conference call with these people, whether you are enrolled in a single debt or enrolled in a freed. And I hope you guys know what is freed also, because freed is also a debt settlement company. This is a debt management plus settlement. This is a debt settlement company, hardcore debt settlement company, and they are also doing a great job. I have seen the services, they are very great, they are very good. They are, debt settlement can cut your monthly payments in half. Settlement is something that you pay less than what you owe, so you save money and you give the bank a lump sum amount. So this is the difference between a debt management. Debt management is a monthly plan, debt settlement is a paying in a lump sum and a lower amount than the total outstanding amount. So this is the difference. Now the thing is that what you should do as a customer, if you make them interact, do a conference call. That is the best thing. And see why these people are not agreeing. That also will tell you why these people are not agreeing to speak to anyone else. Because one, they feel that it is very easy to put a pressure on the customer in terms of the amount of payment, in terms of making the payment, the time buying, or anything kind of pressure, rather than putting the pressure on this kind of experienced companies people. They know about these companies, they knew, the banks already are aware of these companies, and they, although they tell you that they are not aware, but they are aware, because it's very common now. A lot of customers using their services, and these people are speaking to the customer, to the banks, and the banks are also aware. But the collection agents or agencies will obviously act that they don't know, because their main aim is to pressurize the customer. Secondly, why they don't do, because they are the banks, as per policy, cannot speak to any third person directly unless and until you authorize them to do so. So you can authorize them by taking them on a conference call and making this. So whether it's single debt or whether this is freed. Now what is freed? Freed service is very good, and I will suggest you guys when you should use their their collection helpline numbers or so you see. I will get you to the, this is a screenshot I have taken, but I will take you to the actual website of these people, and so I will take you to the freed. Freed is a very common, now is getting a lot of a positive kind of popularity among the customers who are in default because of their services. And I will just try to take you to the website again. So see, Max Top Credit Cards is a harassing collection calls. So they have a harassing collection calls process, and so what this harassing calls process is all about. When you get a harassing collection calls like abusive calls and all, and you can use these calls. And see, there are a lot of harassing calls. I have some recordings. I just trying to figure it out whether you guys want to listen to those kind of harassing calls. I know one or two of you have already faced those collection calls where you are being getting abused by your collection agents. So these people come into picture and they are very expertise, and they have the ability to answer back to this kind of those harassing calls. But normally I will suggest, if the agents are taking some normal updates or they're okay, you can handle. If you can handle, it is okay. So getting 1 to 3 of 6 calls, you can obviously divert 1 or 2 calls to them in a day. If those collection calls are very aggressive or very hard for you to handle those collection agents in any form. So if they are speaking in a higher tone, or if they are using some wrong languages, you can take their help. And similarly for these single date also, you can use them. But see, as per my experience, my personal experience, I am more confident about the Freed.care. Single date is also very good. They have a lot of positive feedback also. But anyways, the question is that how to make the creator speak. What I have told my people, or what I did in my past, in my experience, that I have done in my time, that I have took them on a conference call. So that is the best way to do so. Take them on a conference call, and take the single date or Freed partner in the call, and your assistant and the collector who is on the other side from the bank, and have a conversation. So that is the best way. And in case you authorize them, because single date claims that you can divert, but divert doesn't help, because you need to be involved in the calls. Unless and until in the initial phase you need to be involved. You can pull out in the later stage, but in the initial conversation, when they started, when you enroll in the program, or you need to get involved, unless and until you get a foothold on the program. And see, this is very common in the Western world, but here, as I said, that it is very new, so that's why it's taking time. But as a day passes, people will realize, and they will stop. The banks will also realize that, okay, this is what they are doing, and they will come back to help you out in that way. So I am ending my video over here, and I hopeful that this video helps you. And okay, thank you for watching this video, and let me know that if you have any other query. I will obviously try to address all those queries also. And thanks for watching this. Have a great night. Good night.